We're gonna be watching Joe create his mouth guard. So right now we got some water boiling. We're gonna take it off the stove for just a moment here. All right. I'm gonna let that cool just for a moment, about 30 seconds or so. And then Joe's gonna fit this mouth guard to his mouth. Let's check it out.
Right now I'm going to dunk this in the water for 60 seconds. Put this in here. Do not remove tether, but it came out. Oh well. So now we have to tap water for about 1 to 2 seconds to cool it down. And make sure it's good temperature. That hot. Not hot water, that cold water. There you go. All right. Let's check it out real quick. Not too hot. Hot enough, not too hot. Okay. Lick your lips before placing in the mouth guard. Fit mouth guard onto the around upper teeth and press firmly into molars, then front teeth.
So mold it from the outside of your mouth. Like press on your face and stuff.
As you can see, it's formed, as well as on the back molars and the front teeth. I put it inside here. I'm going to keep it cool underwater for 30 seconds. Okay. So now we've cooled it down, made sure that the mold is fitted. I'm going to put it back in and make sure that it tests and tastes good. Or you can see here, here, here. And we have a good fit. Thank you, Brian. What an awesome, awesome holiday gift this was. Let's see. This brand is from Shock Doctor. If you want, I'm going to probably give a review after using this for the first time for maybe squats. And we'll fill you in how this mouthpiece is doing. Thank you, man.
You're welcome.